In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a tag wall in a Notion dashboard. A tag wall is a visual way to organize topics, categories, or projects, making your workspace easier to navigate. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for tag wall or a similar dashboard template. If you find one you like, click Use this template to add it to your workspace. If you prefer to build your own, create a new database and choose a gallery or board view. Add a page for each tag or category you want to organize. Customize each tag by adding a title, icon, cover image, or color-coded properties. For example, you can create tags for different projects, clients, content types, or areas of responsibility. Arrange the gallery or board to fit your dashboard layout and link each tag to related pages or databases so you can quickly access the information connected to that category. As your workspace grows, simply add new tags or update existing ones to keep everything organized and easy to find. That's how to build a tag wall in a Notion dashboard. Thanks for watching.